Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rizka Tianayani. Today I want to presentation my thesis, and my thesis is the effect of pre-reading tasks on students' reading comprehension for 8th grade at SMPN 8 Bangku Pusako, Rokan Hilir. And the first slide is background of the research. Based on the preliminary study, through pure observation and specific details, indicating a lack of comprehension, some students had poor vocabulary and sentence structure understanding, so they felt less confident when reading. And then the second slide is resolve problem. The first is limitation of the problem. The researchers focusing this study is on the effect of pre-reading tasks on students' reading comprehension for 8th grade at SMPN 8 Bangku Pusaka. And the second is formulation of the problem. There are three points. The first is how is students' reading comprehension who are taught without using pre-reading tasks of the 8th grade students at SMPN 8 Bangku Pusaka. The second is how is students' reading comprehension who are taught by using pre-reading tasks of the 8th grade as student at SMPN 8 Bangku Pusaka. And the last is there any significant difference of reading comprehension between students who are taught without and by using pre-reading tasks of the 8th grade students at SMPN 8 Bangku Pusaka? And then move the next slide is objective and significance of the result. The first is objective of the result. And here there are 3 points. The first is to describe students' reading comprehension who are taught without using pre-reading tasks of the 8th grade students at SMPN 8 Bangku Pusaka. And the second is to describe students' reading comprehension who are taught by using pre-reading tasks of the 8th grade students at SMPN 8 Bangku Pusaka. And the last is to examine whether there is any significant difference of reading comprehension between the students who are taught without using pre-reading tasks. And then the second is significance of the problem. The results of this study are expected to provide benefit in both theoretical and practical aspects. Theoretical, this study supports the importance of pre-reading tasks based on cognitive and schema theories to enhance reading comprehension. And practically, this research provides recommendations for teachers to apply pre-reading strategies to help students better understand text and develop critical thinking skills in reading. And then we will move the next slide. There are chapter 2 theoretical framework. And this is there are 2 points. The first is definition of pre-reading tasks. Pre-reading tasks are designed to improve reading comprehension by arming readers or students with the knowledge they need before they interact with the text main body, according to Cardozo and Tomitz, 2021. And the second is definition of reading comprehension. If it is generally agreed that comprehension means understanding, reading comprehension is then not only pronouncing the words found in the text, but also understanding the contents of what is read. State that reading comprehension entails knowing what has been read, according to Tini Murgia 2022. And next slide is review of relevant previous studies. In Indonesian, Sylvia Febrianti et al. 2022, and in other countries, Mutsaliani et al. 2023, Cardozo and Tony 2021, Elhamzas, Parisa Yeganepol 2021. And next slide is operational concept. There are two points in operational concept. The first is pre-reading tasks. In pre-reading tasks, there are 6 points. The first is the teacher activates students' prior knowledge related to the topic. The second is the teacher asks students to produce the text based on the title, pictures, and or keywords. And the third is the teacher provides guiding questions to focus on key aspects of the text. The fourth is the teacher leads a brief discussion on students' expectations about the text. The fifth is the teacher introduces key vocabulary and phrases. And the last is the teacher asks students to connect the topic to their personal experiences, according to Salmanis Nedausan 2002. And then, and next point is reading comprehension. There are 5 points. The first is identify the main idea and its relevance to the whole text. The second is locate and interpret specific information in the text. The third is infer the meaning of unfamiliar words using contents. And the fourth is recognize reference and connect them to prior knowledge. And the last is make inference from explicit and implicit information critically. Alright, next slide is chapter 3, research method. The first is research design. Research design use quantitative and quasi-experiment, and then place and time. SMP and Ek Bangku Pusako on Rokan Hilir, and time is May 2025. And population and sample. Population is 8 good students of SMP and Ek Bangku Pusako, and sample is class 8A and class 8B students of SMPM Ek Bangku Pusako. And technique of collecting the data, researchers use tests, and the last is data analysis. Use main reasoning. And the next slide, sorry. Findings. There are 4 points. The first is students who are taught by using pre-reading tasks significantly better. And the second is the Shapiro with significant values for the pretest scores were 0.150 for the control group and 0.018 for the experimental group. This indicates that the pretest data of the experimental group were not normally distributed, as the significance value was below 0.05. The third is, for the post-test, the Shapiro with significance values were 0.111 for the control group and 0.451 for the experimental group, both of which are greater than 0.05. Thus, it can be concluded that the post-test scores in both the control and experimental group were normally distributed. and the last is significant to child 0.000 had less value than 0.05, then null hypothesis is accepted and alternative hypothesis is rejected. And then the last slide is conclusion. The archive point. The first is the result of student reading comprehension taught without using pre-reading tasks is categorized into various category with the percentage 40.0%. The result of students the second is the result of students reading comprehension taught by using pre-reading tasks is categorized into very high category with the percentage 62.50%. The last is the Z value of mean 4.148, and there was a significant difference of students reading comprehension taught without and by using pre-reading tasks at SMPN Ek Bangko Pusako Rokan Hillier with the same significant to child value of 0.000. Alright, I think enough for me. Sorry for my mistake. I'm close. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.